Now to Michael Rice, owner of Yeti Game Repairs in Anchorage. After Michael Rice, we will go to Dustin Brighton. Please put your name on the record and begin your testimony. You have 2 minutes.
And thank you for this opportunity to speak on behalf of this. My name is Michael Rice. I am actually the second with the Roman numeral 2. I own Yeti Game Repairs here in Anchorage, Alaska, and I am the head technician for Video Game Depot. We've been going through and fixing video game consoles for a long time now, and are in extremely high support of House Bill 162. As it stands, we do believe that with the ability to get schematics, more products will be able to be repaired. Not only that, but we've already had several cases in the last 30 years of products that were unable to be repaired because we did not have either parts or schematics available to us. We did used to be able to get those from companies like Midway, who would send you schematics to the arcade machine you bought. That did not prove any problems, and we do believe that that is one of the main reasons why video games and other equipment like so should be included in the bills, and the bill should be passed as stands.
Thank you so much for your testimony.